love lot have been lost on me. And every breath that I've been taking since you left is like a waste on me. I've been holding on to hope that you'll come back when you can find some peace. But every word that I've heard spoken since you left is like a hollow stone. I've been told to get you off my mind, but I hope I never lose the bruises that you left behind. Oh my Lord, I need you by my side. There must be something in the water, 'cause every day it's getting colder. And if only I could hold you, you keep my head from going under. Maybe I'm just being blinded by the brighter sides of what we had because it's over. Well, there must be something in the tides. I've been told to get you off my mind, but I hope I never lose the bruises that you left behind. Oh my Lord, I need you by my side. There must be something in the water, 'cause every day it's getting colder. And if only I could hold you, you keep my head from going under. Ooh, ooh,
Well done, Kayden. Anya, what do you think of Kayden's performance?
Oh, you've already improved loads from last time you've done VOTV. I can't remember what the season you've done now.
14.
14. Yeah, you are. So you are. A season had gone, and now we've got a completely new search, and you've improved a lot. I mean, I remember you struggling with slower songs and trying to connect them, and I can see that you were really trying there, and you have improved on that quite a bit. And also your lower notes. I mean, obviously that comes with you being a bit older now, but they were so crisp, and I was like, ooh, it was lush. I'm glad you come back. I am glad, because I think that you could do more than we thought you could do, because you are older now, and I can already hear things that you could be singing, and I think you could do a lot bigger. But yeah, incredible. Well done.
Kelly?
I've never seen you before, so for me that was like, I thought you made that look so effortless, and you oozed confidence on the stage, And like Anya said, your voice was so crisp and so clear. I could hear every word you were saying, and it was such a mature performance because you knew like when to project your vocal and when to pull it back. I thought it was beautiful, and I, like Anya, I can hear you singing all sorts of stuff, which just chuck anything at you, and I think your voice is going to adapt. And yeah, that was brilliant. Well done.
Kayden, this was absolutely fantastic. Everything I've seen of you before, like I did say to you the other day, it for me is the best I've seen of you. Very, very controlled. You know exactly where you wanted to go with the song. You did put a bit more emotion there, which is really, really nice to see. But do you know the one thing I didn't like? I want to do in my category. No, generally, but I would have loved to have in my category, but I'm so excited to see what you do because I got no doubt you're going to do really well this season. You just stepped yourself up. Kelly picked up that you adapt. She can see that you adapt to song. Was it who adapts? Somebody said he adapts to song.
I can't remember if it was Kelly.
Oh, one of them said it. But that's exactly what you can do. You will put your voice to anything and you'll adapt to it. You smashed that. Well done. And you performed too. Brilliant. Well done.